In this video today, I want to show you 5 free and easy ways that you can make money on YouTube without ads. So if you are a brand new content creator and you've got a small channel, make sure you watch this entire video because I'll show you exactly how you can do this straight after watching this video so that you can make some money on YouTube. Let's get into it. Hey everyone, it's Alan here again from the Smart Video Tactics channel, and if you're looking to grow your YouTube channel, go down the bottom, hit that subscribe button, turn on all notifications. I'll make sure you get notified every time I post a brand new video, which is going to help you grow that channel, make some money along the way, and have the best impact. And if you guys want to know another way that you can grow your channel, go down to the bottom of the description of this video. I've got an entire resources tab over here with a whole heap of videos that are going to help you grow your YouTube channel. But today we're talking about how to make money on YouTube without ads. Before you get your 1,000 subscribers and your 4,000 watch hours, before you monetize, how can you make some of that money on YouTube? And one of the ways that you can do this, guys, is with affiliate marketing. Now, in order to do affiliate marketing, what you want to do is you want to check out some of the sites I'm going to show you at the moment. One thing to consider is that you need to make sure the product that you're going to be promoting to your audience is relevant to your YouTube channel. So if you've got a fishing channel, you want to be promoting reels and lures and sinkers and stuff like that. If you've got a gaming channel, you want to be talking about controllers and whatever it might be. If you've got a cooking channel, you want to be talking about pots and pans and whatever it might be, a good cookbook. So when it comes to Amazon Associates over here, this is a fantastic platform because they literally have millions of products and it's so easy to sign up and to put a link and you get a percentage of that. So the way affiliate marketing works is, let's say you want to promote a fishing rod off Amazon, okay, the owner of that product is going to give you a percentage of that sale. In this case, Amazon will give you a percentage of that sale. So you come over here, you sign up. It's very easy to sign up. You start to recommend these products and you start to make money on YouTube. It is a fantastic platform to get started with, and a lot of people are using Amazon because of how much products it has on offer. Another site that you can use if you're looking to promote digital products is clickbank.com. This is a site that I use a lot as an affiliate marketer and in another niche that I've obviously got a channel on, in the Make Money Online niche. So this is a fantastic site that you can come and sign up to and take a look at their range of digital products. Another fantastic site that a lot of people use is called Share a Sale. Okay, now this is a site that has a whole heap of different types of products. If you're looking at promoting, makeup products, if you're looking at fashion, if you're looking at home and garden, there is an array of different products that you can promote as an affiliate marketer over here to make money on YouTube. But you can also promote independent products as well. For example, as you guys can see here on my Smart Video Tactics channel over here, I have got a link over here to a product called VidIQ. Now, when you come over here, you can see here that VidIQ has an affiliate program, and anybody looking to grow their YouTube channel will more than likely want to know how to do keyword research, which is why I have a link to this product. Now, there is a free version of this product which you can get, but anybody that decides to upgrade, then I can get an affiliate commission. And when you come over here, you can see that I've got that link here. Now, another really important thing that you should consider putting in the description of your videos over here is an affiliate disclaimer. So when you come over here, I've got an earnings disclaimer and I've got an affiliate disclosure. And what this does is it tells anybody that comes over here that if they do click onto a link and they do go ahead and purchase something, I may get a small commission for them going ahead and upgrading to that product that is a paid product, that I can earn an affiliate commission. So this is one of the best ways that you can make money on YouTube without ads before you get your 1,000 subscribers and your 4,000 watch hours. And I highly recommend that you go and research and find a product that you can promote. So affiliate marketing is super powerful. Another way that you can make money on YouTube when you start as a new YouTuber is you can start to promote merchandise. Okay, guys. Now, in order to have a merch rack in the description of your video, which I'll show you in a second, you need to have 10,000 subscribers before you're considered for it. But nothing is stopping you from coming over to sites like teespring.com and another site called redbubble.com and creating an entire merch store, which you can then very easily put a link to in the description of your video, just like these links over here. And you can tell people in that video to click on that link, which you should do with any link that you have inside your video. You can tell people to go down and click onto it. Like I said, just make sure that it is absolutely relatable to the content on your YouTube channel. So when you come over here, you can see here that Teespring will allow you to come over here and create an entire store, okay, of different types of apparel and cups and mugs and leggings and phone covers and a whole heap of different stuff and bags, etc. So you come over here, you create your store and then drop a link into the description of that video. And when you come over here, you can do the same thing on Redbubble as well. You can have a look at different trending products, okay, guys? And I highly recommend that you do this because when you're starting out as a brand new YouTuber and you want to make money on YouTube, ads can take a long time to kick in. You could be on there for a year, sometimes even 2 years before you get monetized. In that time, you could be making some really good money, which is going to keep you motivated making that content and growing your YouTube channel. And if you go over here on Redbubble, I just want to show you very quickly. I clicked over here and I found somebody that's got merch about YouTube. You've got here, there's merch about gaming that you can have a look at. Over here, there's merch about fishing. So if you've got a fishing channel, okay, you can come over here and check it out. Now, this is what a merch rack looks like over here, okay, guys? So this is obviously somebody that has more than 10,000 subscribers and they've created merch. Now, for yourselves, like I said, if you don't have 10,000 subscribers, just drop a link in the description and drive people to that store. Now, the best thing about sites like Teespring and Redbubble is that even though you're going to have these on your YouTube channel, these two sites drive a lot of traffic onto their own sites. So if you have a couple of stores sitting there, you'll probably make sales from the sites as well, along with what traffic you get on YouTube. You can double down, and it's an awesome way for you to make even more money on YouTube. So another site that I want to show you over here, guys, that you can use to make money on YouTube before you get monetized, okay, is a site called patreon.com. And I'll show you an example of someone that does this. Now, Patreon is a site, it's a link that you can put in the description of your video, and you can get people to sign up and you can offer things outside of YouTube, things like videos and concepts and new releases or advice, a whole heap of different things, okay, that you can give people outside of YouTube. Maybe you want to do something extra for your audience or people that are real followers, real fans of yours that sign up to these different types of subscriptions, okay? So one person that does this really well is this guy over here. He's called Andre Jeek, okay? Now, he's got a finance channel, and what he does is over here, you can see it says my stock portfolio and stock trading. As you can see, he's got a Patreon link over here. And if you sign up to this, he gives people stock advice on what stock he is going to purchase, which then they get this information. So they sign up for anything. If you click onto this, we can actually take a look, but you would have to pay a monthly subscription, okay, to his Patreon site, and he'll give you this advice. Now, if you've got, anything up to 1,000 or 2,000 or 500 people sign up, you can see here that he's got a $4 per month and he's got an $8 per month joining fee. And if you come over here, you can see that he's making $18,000 a month from his Patreon site. Okay, now he's monetized, but it's another fantastic way that he can obviously be making money on YouTube. And you can do exactly the same if you want to teach people or give people advice outside of YouTube. They can come over here and sign up and you can get started on this as well. Now, another fantastic way that you can make money on YouTube before you get monetized, okay, is to come over here and sign up to a site called KitCo. Now, a lot of YouTubers are using this, and the reason why they're using it is you can create entire kits of your gear that you use as a YouTuber. You can create entire kits of, for example, let's say you've got a cooking channel and you want to show people the entire cooking kit that you want to use, or an entire fishing kit that you use, or an entire camping kit that you use. You can come over here and you can create an entire kit that people can come over here and purchase or purchase parts of it. This is a fantastic site, guys, and it's absolutely for free. So if you come over here, I just want to show you very quickly. Let's say you come over here and you type in fishing, for example. What you're going to see here is you're going to see people with entire fishing kits. So you come over here, the first thing that you're going to find over here is products. If you scroll down, you can click onto all these different products, but then you've got kits. As you can see here, there's 375 kits. So you scroll down and you can see all these different type of kits, and you can do exactly the same, and you can promote these different types of kits. Let me show you an example of somebody that does this really, really well. If we come to this channel over here called Marcus Brownlee, who does a lot of reviews on tech channels. If you come over here, you can see here that he's got video gear I use, and here is his link to his Kit over here. So if you come over here and click onto this link over here, it's going to take us over to Kit and it's going to show us his entire kit that you can go and purchase. So you come over here, guys, it's absolutely free. Create a kit in whatever niche that you're in, and then drop that link in the description of that video and you can start selling this and you get a percentage of every single sale, and it's absolutely free for you to come over here and get this set up. Now, another fantastic way that you can make money on YouTube without ads is to sell potentially like a free ebook or a course or something along those lines, like a service type of offer, okay? And what you can do is, if you wanted to create a free ebook, for example, you could come over here to a site called Lucid Press and you could create a free ebook. Now, I'm going to show you how you can promote this, okay, where it's not going to cost you anything, but you'll have to give a percentage of the sale. So the first thing you'd want to do is you'd want to come over here to a site like this where you could create this ebook, for example, a cooking book, or you can create a book about a service that you can potentially provide somebody or teach someone something, and you can even have affiliate links inside these different types of ebooks, okay? Then what you want to do is you want to come over to a site like Payheap, okay? Now, Payheap is a site that will allow you to put your ebook on here where you can sell it. And what that means is they will give you a button that you can obviously click onto where people can pay and do the transaction, and you'll have a whole database of how many people have clicked, how many people have purchased, how they pay with their PayPal, and you'll get paid straight into your PayPal account. So it's a fantastic way for you to make money on YouTube without ads, okay? And you can create these very simple ebooks, go get inspiration, see what other people are offering, okay? Then come over to Payheap, upload your ebook onto a software like this, which is then going to allow you to promote this so that you can make money on YouTube. So that were my different ways that you can make money on YouTube with a small channel before you get monetized and before you start having ads running on your channel. If you enjoyed the video, guys, smash that like button in appreciation, and don't forget to check out that resources tab right now of different ways that you can grow your YouTube channel. I'll also have another couple of videos that are going to pop up here of different ways that you can grow as well, guys. Thank you so much for watching another one of my videos. I'm Alan from Smart Video Tactics. Until next time, you take care of yourself and goodbye.